Hi everybody, this is Thiagarajan. Welcome to this website V.Thiagarajan.com. In this video, I would like to explain about the application available for the earthwork calculation. In the earthwork calculation, we have two options. So one is for computing the earthwork quantity required for filling the low-lying area to make the ground level. And another option is for formation of the embankment. Calculation of earthwork required for forming embankment or the quantity required for making up the existing formation to the required profile, maybe eroded condition. You want to make it to the required cross-section profile. So how much work involved? It also can be computed using the other options. So let us go to the website. We'll have some idea about. So this is our website, V.Thiagarajan.com. This is what we see is a home page. We have a lot of menu bars here. This is our application. The application we have applications earthwork for level ground. That is making the low-lying area to the required shape. To make it level. And another option is for earthwork calculation for embankment or to make up the existing formation. The other one is longitudinal surfacing and RC designs that we have. These are the options available. This is how the first video I've been telling about the provision available applications. So coming to the first one, earthwork calculation for making the ground level. So this application, this option you can use it. So clicking this button, okay, this is our calculation page, earthwork calculation page. Here also we have a lot of buttons. So these are if we want to compute the earthwork, we require some input data. You have to enter the input data and you will get the result finally. And drawing also you make it. So input data first is very important. How to give your input data. So what are details required and what should be the format you must know. Here you can have your data in Excel file and you can import to this application. So sample I'm having right now, we have two buttons, one is for ERL data, other one is for FR data. In this button you will get the Excel file, the format. The similar way you have to enter your data and you have to connect it with the application. So this button is for existing ORLs, this button for final ORLs. The thing is you have to give the existing produce level of the various points in the ground. And you want to fix the final level. You want to have the uniform level you have or some gradient level you can have it. Fixing these two levels, you will get the quantity. So the software has been designed such a way. Your input data, existing ORL and final ORL, you will get the quantity required. So let me say, I'll tell you something about the format. Excel file, ERL data and FRL data. So we can just download first. Suppose you want to use application, you can download these two files. It's only sample file. and the same format you may keep your data. You can import and use the application. Okay, it's okay. This is the existing oral reduced level data file. So we have 4 columns: ID, that is serial number, nothing but serial number. This is chainage and distance, existing distance DC, and ER, existing oral reduced level. So this we are taking the existing levels and the various points. How you have to take the levels, or should be the order. So here, so chainage column. This is chainage 0, first chainage 0 chainage, and we have we are taking so many locations, that is 0 distance and 10 distance, 10 meter distance, 20 meter distance, 30 meter, like that, according to the area you have, and you can have 70, 80, 90, 100, like that. So this is the existing orals, and like that, next chainage, 5th meter chainage, again distance wise 0, 10, 20 meter, you take the initial levels, like that. That means that area where you want to fill up the earth, you want to compute the earthwork quantity. So we are dividing into so many sections. First section, that means first is chainage, we take the existing oral, and second chainage, and third, like that, go on. We are taking the levels and we are recording, and should be in this Excel format. So like that, we have to fix our final, finished rail level, reduced level. What should be? Same way. Open the same way, same columns. So you have to make the Excel file, and like an ID, chainage, distance. This is one differentiation, distance F, final FRL. The same way, there is 0 chainage and distance 0, 10, 20, like that, up to the end of So like that, each chainage we are at each distance we are fixing the reduced level. That is, we want to have the uniform level of 101 meter. So we are FRL, we are keeping 101, like that. For entire complete area, our reduced level is 101 meter. So like this, you have to keep your data, input data, that is for existing oral and final oral. So connect the 2 files, you can proceed with the application, you will get the result finally. So let me close this file. So, and before going to the application, working application, let me tell you something about the concept. So this is your area, that is circle, no? This red line, that is the area. This is the area you want to cover. This is a low-lying area, you want to fill it up with the earth. What you are doing, we are dividing this into so many sections. This is section 1, and there is 0 chainage. Section 2, that is 10 meter chainage. Section 3, 20 meter. Section 4, 30 meter, like that. So every 10 meter, and we are sectioning, and each section we are recording our initial level, that is existing reduced level. That you can use a fly level, and you have to reduce the level. So the distance and all here, like that, you are here also 0 meter, 10 meter, 20 meter, like that. We are okay. We are dividing, and we are recording our existing orals. The distance is according to your requirement, according to the area you want to cover, and according to the accuracy you want. The closer distance, more will be the accuracy. You can decide, this is optional. So like that, each section we are recording the existing levels. Like that, final level also. So for example, this is your first section, first section, chain edge at 0 meter. This is your existing level. Okay, for recording. Then final level, this is red line that you are uniformly keeping some, for example, 101 meter. This is some, maybe some 99 something. This may be 101 meter. So each and every section, this will be the difference in height. Then this yellow is total the area that is to be filled up. Like that, each section, this will be the area. So for example, the concept which is used here, that means the cross section area at 0 chainage and cross section area at 10th chainage. We find out, we take average area and multiply by the distance will be the quantity of the earthwork required for filling up these two sections, between two sections. Like the 10 meter section area we find and 20 meter section crossing area if we are finding it. Average in this area multiply by the inter distance, then 10 to 20 10 meters, you will get the quantity of the earthwork required between the two sections. So like that we are just proceeding till the end in the calculation. We are calculating and total quantity finally we are having it. This is the concept we are using it. So using the concept, our the program, this software has been programmed, and linking your input, importing input data into the application, so you can get the result, the total quantity that is required for filling up this area. So let us go to the application. We'll see how it works. This okay. So now let us import. The first button is importing data you have to use. So clicking that, this dialog box comes. So we have to import the existing oral data and final oral data. First you have to locate the file. So browse. So you have to keep the Excel file, the ER and the FR data somewhere in your folder, and you can browse. You can then import here. This is our actually I'm keeping the EW earthwork level here. I'm keeping here. This I am just opening and so browsed. This is our file name. Then we have to click this URL, the green button. So clicking this one, now it is imported. This existing URL is imported now. So like that, you have to import your final URL also. So this is my file, of course, Earthwork EWL FRL Excel. Okay. Okay. Then click the FRL button. You have to click. You have to follow this process: browsing, then go button, green button. So FRL also now imported. So now we got the input data. Now the data is available now. So now next you have to go for the calculation. So before that, these are the buttons available. First, previous, next. So that now for sample, no, I have only 3 sections, 0 and 5 and 10 like that. So like that you can have so many sections. So you can just see the data also. This is the first 0 chain is the button. Next means this is for 50 meter chainage. Then again you can go to the end also, that means that first also. So just seeing your data, the chainage, you can use the first button, previous, next, end. Then calculate that. Okay, this is your data you have imported, and now you have to calculate. So this is the button available for calculate. By clicking the calculate button, you will get the result. So calculate. This is only online calculation directly. The website is facilitating to get the solution online. You not download the software, install it in computer, and calculation. Further calculation. So instead of that online solution, you can obtain using this software application. So now you got that. This is your result. See the filling up. So you can get the cut here, cutting as well as filling. You can get here completely low lying, and you are only filling only involved. There is a filling quantity. Now you got. Okay, this is the result, and you can take the printout also. So clicking this printout button, you'll get the Excel file. That means whatever data you entered, that is zero chainage. This is your distance, and what is your existing level, and what is the final level, and the particular section. I mean zero chainage, the section, and what is the area? That means filling area. This cutting filling area. This net fill area. This area. So next fifth five, I mean chainage at 5 meter. This is your cutting. I mean filling area. Filling area. So averaging these two into the distance in between. Distance in between is 5 meter. You will get the this one filling all. So like that. This area averaging it the distance. That means 5 meter. You will get the this thing. So adding all, you will get the quantity. Total filling area, volume. If it is cutting is the final filling area you will get the resultant. You will get the total filling area. This is your data you can export. This data you can export to Excel also. You can get export. You can export. If you are exporting it, you can export. If you are clicking the button export, so you can save as or open. Everything you can do it. Okay. Uh, so you can export. Here, since there is a sample, I put only some 3 sections. But in your case, you'll have so many. Okay, maybe outside. Okay, yes. So this is your. So this is your Excel. Excel. You are importing the data into Excel format. This is, so you can take printout. So this is you can save it also. Okay, you can save us. You can save us. You can save this file as somewhere. Desktop. You can put something now. Okay. W solution. Okay, leave something. So you can save it. Okay, put something. You can save. Yes. So already saved. Okay, you can close it. So when you are here, you can go to the website. So like that, you can take the printout and drawing also. So this is drawing button available. If you are clicking the drawing button, we'll get the page. So show. You're clicking the show. So you will get the this one drawing. You can just zoom it also. Maybe again, let's show. Like that. Okay, you can just increase if you want to zoom it. I can choose the scale, that is zoom scale, uh, and little. Okay, you get it. Here, this is your green is, I mean, existing, and red is proposed. Since this data is giving us this level difference that much, that is you are getting. You can each section you will can get it. So this is 0 next means you can put next. This you can get the 5 meter also. This 5 meter, like the 10 meter, each section you can get. We can take the printout also. If you want to take printout, just picture. You can right click and you can save this picture. This 5 meter. So you can write, or you can just print here, or you can just save picture as something. You can save again desktop drawing. You can put AW drawing 1. Okay, so name it anything. Okay, this now you have saved the file. Okay, and desktop. You can see later also. So this is actually you can just close this drawing button also, drawing email page and print solution. This is your main page. So like that. So you can find out. You can compute that. Earthwork quantity involved for that filling up the rolling area. If you are pressing again home, we'll go to the home page. Home page. Again, you can go to the next application. Okay. So this is about the application available for the earthwork calculation for filling up the rolling area. In the next video, I will explain about the other software, other application that is for calculation of earthwork for the impact. Thank you, guys.